Allow me to reintroduce myself. My name is...
Yeah, hello viewers, KG Auto. Ready to do some work here today. What we have here? We're working on this 2011, the Chevy Tahoe. I'm gonna be replacing the front struts. I'm gonna bring you guys along how to do this job. How's everybody doing today? If you're new to my channel, you're quite welcome. Please consider subscribing. Takes one to know one, takes two to tango. This is KG. I would say that this is the struts that we're going to be replacing it with. It's KYB. That's the part number right there. It's 565103. I'm going to bring it out. This job is fairly easy to do. Anybody can do it. Just like KG said, it's just like a pea. All it has, just this one bolt coming in here with a knot. The same thing, just two things you have to take off. But let me turn this camera around and show you what we need to do to access the other. So if you look down here, you can be able to see the other knot that you need to get to, the one in the body right there. So what we need to do, we have to take off this guy right here, this 8 right here, or 7. I believe it's a 7. We have to take off that guy there. Yeah, it's a 7. We take off that guy to be able to access that knot. Alright, there's another pin right here. So just like a little screw. It's like a clip. It's like a clip. Anyway, see right there? So probably I can just bend it like this. Start bothering this guy. Go ahead and take off this guy. This guy's a 20, should be 21. Let's see. Yeah, it's a 21. So let me grab my sockets and go ahead and break that loose. This socket can go in there. The one go in there, but I don't know. We can lift it up like this. The only one that can be able to work for KG. Let me see if I can lift it up like this and get that. I don't think we can do that. Get my gun in here like this. Anywhere you can get it. So that socket is too. It's just we're still gonna have a little problem taking off that guy there. If I use this long socket now, I don't think I'll be able to put put my gun. See, my gun is not gonna go. Bend it like this. Okay, yeah, we're good like this. Let me go ahead. Okay. It's spinning around, so I'm gonna get a 21, go underneath there, and put it from spinning. So I'm lie down, and I get a 21 down here. Come in here. I can grab the boy. Boy is spinning around here. It's kind of hard to get to right here. Yeah. It's kind of hard to get to right here. It's kind of tough to get the tools in here. Maybe I have to use my swivel head. Anyway, let me lose the one in the bottom first. Because that one is kind of tough to get to right there. Let me take out the one from the bottom. I take out the one from the bottom. Up there. So this boat here was spinning around, as you can see. So I use this bring what I use as kind of stuck in there now. You have to hold the boat. If not, you won't be able to lose it. So I use this swivel head 21 and this guy right here to hold the boat from spinning. So that was what I did. So I was able to break it loose now, so we can push this guy, push it inside there. I'll push it all the way so we can bring out this rope. So the bottom one is the same thing. I'll show you the bottom one. It's practically the same thing. See right there? That's the bolt. I lost the nut already. So we're gonna knock it out too. Knock it out. There we go. So we got it. So now we can be able to take over this guy. Probably this is the one that came with the car. I don't know. That's a boy. These are heavy duty. Let's see this drops. Let me show you guys. So this guy's been leaking for quite a while. You know, it's not even going down. Look at it. It got stuck. So this has been bad. I see it's been kind of leaking, so it's not even going in. See? Wow. Wow. Anyway, that guy is done. We're using this little guy now. Press this guy up. Press it down, you're gonna see. Come back up. There we go. And let it go. Spring back up there. See, it's coming back up. There we go. So, let me see the length. Just want to see the length of this thing. Or the bushing is kind of different. You see this guy? Make sure we get this right on the camera. Yeah, you see this guy, you see the bushing here is flat. This one is kind of, I'm wondering if the man bought the wrong one. Well, let's see if it's going to fit in. I don't know. Alright, let me see if it's going to fit in. That's what the next thing we have to do. See if it fit in. They're the same. Okay. It looks fit in the bottom there. See it go inside. So we're gonna probably we have to put the one up first. And try to squeeze it down. I'll put this guy right here. Okay, they're the same. They're the same. I'm gonna go ahead and put this one. They're the same. Oh, the boat dropped. You can't see that, you just have to feel your weight. See that? You can't see it where the boat has to go. You just have to feel your weight in the back there. I can't see it, but we're gonna feel our way through it. There's a lot. Let's see. There's the hole there. There's the first one. There we go. There she comes. There she goes. We got it in. Squeeze this one up there now. There's some muscle here. There we go. I'll go ahead and pass the other ball in there. Oh yeah. This bottom one is not gonna go like that. This bottom one needs to be. Anyway, let me go ahead and put this nut. Put this nut right there. So the bottom one, I might have to lie down so I can use like a screwdriver to direct it, because it needs some kind of muscle there to get that guy in there. See there? So I'm gonna use this guy to lie down and come underneath here so I can be able to pull out the string. And some muscles. Push this one. Okay, I got this one. This guy in there. Goes. You got it. Let's go ahead and tie it. That's basically it. So it's easy to do. You just have to take your time and get it done. Please, you always get it done. And put my 21. Tight now. Here. Put the 21 here. So like this. That's the first one. Go up there now and use my swivel head, because the flat can't go in there. So if you're trying to put a flat on this top one, the flat cannot go in. No way. You can't use a flat. So the same way I took it out, I'm gonna go back in like that. Use this swivel head. You don't have to see it, but just make sure you can feel it. Feel your way. And it's on that note right there on the boat. So we're gonna bring this guy to tighten. It's time. Get that. Try to get our boat there now. Let's see if we can. seat. There you go. Right there. That's pretty much it. Okay. Nice and easy, just like a P. So we're gonna put this back. Put this back. Put this guy back right here. The 7 that we took off from here. And then I'll pretty much do the job. Alright, put the 7 back there. Well, that was easy. Anybody can do this. There we go. We are done just like that. We are done just like that. Just like that, the job is done. Just like a P. Anybody can do it. KG said that. Brooklyn shout out. Love you all, KG. See you in my next episode. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Help your brother out. See you on my next episode. KG signing out. I am gone.